The influence of social media and how it affects people, they compare themselves to these unrealistic images that have Facetune or a lot of editing. And unfortunately, that's not realistic. Oftentimes patients come to me and they show me a photo that is completely Facetune and edited with flawless skin. But what people don't see is the behind, that real image of really what it was, where the skin texture is not how, as smooth as it presents itself. People have these huge lips that show zero migration, or they have these really big cheeks. In person, it doesn't look good. So I believe in an approach that is more natural, more conservative, just enhancing your own natural features and how to make you the best version of yourself. And try to avoid looking at those edited, face-tuned photos. So it's very important that you go to a provider that will sit you down, go over a thorough consultation with you, educate you about realistic expectations, things that they're able to achieve with your face structure, with your bone structure, taking into consideration your ethnicity, background. Those are all very important things to take into consideration, not just going based off of a filter or a face-tuned image that you will never be able to achieve.